English reading, the secret skill that makes learning English easy. English reading is one of the most important skills in learning the English language. If you want to improve your English faster, reading must be part of your daily routine. Many people try to speak English first, but they feel stuck, confused, or frustrated. This happens because their foundation is weak. Reading builds that foundation. When you read English every day, your brain starts to understand the language naturally. You see how sentences are formed. You see how words are used in real situations. You don't need to translate every word in your mind. Slowly, your brain starts thinking in English. Reading helps you learn new words without pressure. You don't need to memorize long vocabulary lists. When you read a story, an article, or a short paragraph, you meet new words again and again. Over time, these words become familiar. This is the easiest and most natural way to grow your vocabulary. Another powerful benefit of reading is grammar improvement. Many learners are afraid of grammar rules. They think grammar is difficult and boring. But when you read English daily, grammar becomes simple. You start to feel what is correct and what is wrong. Your brain learns patterns without stress. English reading also improves writing skills. If you want to write emails, posts, captions, or scripts in English, reading is the key. The more you read, the better your writing becomes. You learn how to start sentences, connect ideas, and explain thoughts clearly. Reading also helps your speaking ability. When you read regularly, your mind stores useful sentences and expressions. Later, when you speak, these sentences come naturally. You don't stop again and again to think. Your confidence grows because you have more words and ideas. If you are a beginner, don't worry. You don't need to read big or difficult books. Start small. Read short stories, easy articles, simple blogs, or children's books. Even reading for 10 minutes a day is enough. What matters most is consistency, not speed. Choose topics you like. If you enjoy business, read business content. If you like motivation, read motivational stories. When reading is interesting, learning becomes enjoyable. You won't feel tired or bored. While reading, don't stop for every new word. Try to understand the meaning from the sentence. Only use a dictionary when the word is very important. This helps your brain become stronger and more confident. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Reading is a powerful habit that builds strong English skills step by step. If you read daily, stay patient, and trust the process, your English will improve naturally.